By the addition and subtraction properties of equality, if A equals B and C equals D, then A plus C equals B plus D, and A minus C equals B minus D. For example, 5 plus 1 equals 6, and 3 plus 4 equals 7, so the quantity 5 plus 1 plus the quantity 3 plus 4 must equal 6 plus 7. In the elimination method, you use these properties to add or subtract equations in order to eliminate a variable in a system. Using addition and subtraction properties of equality to solve a system of equations. First, identify the variable that will have a coefficient of 0 when you add or subtract the equations. Then eliminate that variable by adding or subtracting the equations. Problem 1. Solving a system by adding equations. What is the solution of the system? Use elimination. So we have the two equations, both in standard form, 2x plus 5y equals 17, and 6x minus 5y equals negative 9. So remember, our first step was to identify a variable that will have a coefficient of 0 when we either add or subtract one of the equations from the other. In this case, that's going to be the y's. Notice we have 5y in the top equation and negative 5y in the bottom equation. So step 1, eliminate one variable. Since the sum of the coefficients of y is 0, we'll add the equations to eliminate y. So watch what happens. 2x plus 5y equals 17. 6x minus 5y equals negative 9. As we add the two equations together, we get 8x plus 0, the y's cancel out completely, equals 8. X equals 1. Step 2, now that we know that x equals 1, we need to substitute 1 for x to solve for the eliminated variable. It's up to us which equation we'd like to plug 1 in, either the top or the bottom, whichever looks best or easiest to us. In this case, we're going to use the top equation, 2x plus 5y equals 17. So 2 times 1, the value we just found for x, plus 5y equals 17. Simplifying, solving for y, we find that y equals 3. Since x equals 1 and y equals 3, the solution is the point 1, 3. Your turn. Part A. What is the solution of the system? Use elimination. Part B. What is the solution of this system? Use elimination.